In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Ultra Glow on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features such as an amazing wallet tracker and Twitter tracker. You can also use the pulse tracker and the P&L tracker. You can have their reward system and you can use that as well, which will basically give you Solana back just for trading meme coins, which is amazing. You can trade perpetuals and also use the turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. Down here you can set your presets for both buy and sell settings. You can adjust your slippage, priority and bribe fees, and of course use an RPC. You can use their filters, etc. So again, there's link down below, make sure you check that out. To enable the Ultra Glow on Axiom, this has been the new update. You want to click on Pulse up here, and then over here, Display. And here, you first want to select the Ultra button. So whatever you're on, click on Ultra. And then here where it says Regular Ultra, you want to click on that, and you want to make it the Glowing Ultra, okay? So whenever it's the Glowing Ultra, you can also set the color if you want to, or whatever, and border it too. And whenever you go in here, this is basically going to glow whenever you hover over it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.